Hello, this is Mark. Atheism is ridiculous. It is ridiculous. As I proved mathematically in proving God, finite time, there will be a beginning and there will be an end. Who delineates that and when? Who's the one that decides there's a beginning of time and here it is, and there's an end of time and here it is? Who says there's a beginning of space and an end of space? If you take speed, s, equals change in distance over change in time, change in distance over change in time, you have miles per hour, for example. Distance over time. Miles for an hour. How many miles you go in an hour? Things are limited, but they're big for us humans. A lot of time, a lot of space, but they're limited. As I proved in that equation, there was a beginning of time. And somebody said, I'm an atheist, I believe there's a beginning of time. Well, you also believe there's an end of time. Then what does all this stuff in the middle matter when it didn't exist and it won't exist? Atheism is ridiculous. The idea that evolution shows there are transitional species, when there are no transitional species in the fossil record, and we have dinosaur bones, and I went to a museum, and I said, are these the original dinosaur bones? She said, no, they're a replica. Well, you can't tell the difference, and that's the point. You can't tell the difference. Well, there were dinosaurs one time. Well, we still have Gila monsters, so where did the smaller dinosaurs go? Supposedly the bigger dinosaurs were killed by an asteroid or whatever it was. I don't know what the story is, or they don't know what killed them or whatever. Why aren't there small dinosaurs like they described? Tall, small dinosaurs, or I don't know what to call them. Why did the dinosaurs go away? Again, if there's a beginning of time and end of time, what happened before, what started time, and what will end time? This goes back to God. It's called infinite regression. You say, well, you see something, and you say, okay, who is his father? Who is his father? Who is his father? If it's God, there is no father of God. He is the Father. But if you say an explosion created everything, what caused the explosion? And then what caused that to cause that to cause that to cause the explosion? And what caused that to cause that to cause that the explosion? Time is limited. Atheism is absolutely ridiculous. It is absolutely ridiculous. I believe the atheists are really Satanists. That's what I believe. It was the case with my father. My father's a Satanist. And he says an atheist. There's a lot of anger and stuff that doesn't make sense.